Economy booking discount tutorial. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to be telling you about economy bookings. I'm going to be telling you how you can get a discount. So let's get into it. So here, before we begin, I just want to make sure that if you click the link in the description below, you'll find some promo codes that you can apply onto the website and you'll get a pretty big discount. So having said that, let's move on. So here you can see I'm on the website, and here this is pretty simple. It's a pretty simple layout. Here you can go ahead and find and compare cheap rental deals, right? So if you click over here on the pickup location, so I'll just leave it as it is, right? It's the same drop off and same pickup. You can see right here, driver's age must be between 30 and 65. If it's more or less, they'll have additional fees. And here is the promo code. Again, you can find the promo code in the description below, so make sure you check that out. Apply the promo code over here, apply the dates, pickup, drop off, and then hit the search button. It's going to go ahead and search for all the deals available, and it's going to give you all the cars available. Here on the left hand side, you've got all of your filters. You can filter out towards your needs. Here we have our classes of the car. So we got small, economy, compact, mid-size. Select whichever one you want, and then scroll down below, find the cars that are available, and then hit the view deal button. And then here you can see how much it's going to cost you per day. Your card rental includes your average deposit, collision damage, unless otherwise, see terms and condition, mileage, theft protection, full coverage, and roadside assistance as well. You can have like an additional driver if you want to. Full coverage, roadside assistance, all of them are available. Then if you click on continue to book, here just simply fill out this form right here, your main driver's detail. Again, if you had already applied the code, you'd have a pretty hefty discount code, so make sure you check that link for that, and then just simply go to book, pay everything, and you're good to go. Then when you arrive to your destination, the car will be waiting for you. So thank you for watching, and until next time, take care and goodbye.